In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DMARC in Zoho Mail. Setting up DMARC, or Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, is an essential step in enhancing your domain's email security. It helps protect your domain from unauthorized access and phishing attacks, ensuring that your emails are properly authenticated. Let's begin by navigating to the Zoho Mail admin console. You'll want to head over to your web browser and type in https://mailadminzoho.com. This link will take you directly to the login page. Here, you're going to need your super admin credentials to access the dashboard. It's crucial that you have the appropriate admin privileges, as managing domain settings requires the highest level of access. So, go ahead and enter your details to log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on the option labeled Domains. This is the section where all your domain-related configurations are managed. In this section, you'll see a list that includes the domains associated with your Zoho account. Go ahead and select the domain you wish to configure DMARC for. To illustrate, you might see something like yourdomain.com. Click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected your domain, it's time to navigate to the Email Configuration tab. You'll find this option nestled within the domain settings. Here, Zoho Mail provides you with various tools to manage your email sending policies and configurations. Look for the DMARC section within this tab. This is where the magic happens. DMARC is a powerful email authentication protocol that ties together SPF and DKIM by aligning their results with the domain in the email headers, which helps prevent domain spoofing. Next, you'll want to verify the DMARC setup. Click on the Verify button you find there. This action checks whether the DMARC TXT record was correctly added to your DNS. If you haven't added the TXT record yet, or if it's not correctly configured, you'll need to visit your domain registrar or hosting provider's DNS management panel and add the TXT record as specified by Zoho Mail. This record is essential because it instructs email receivers on how to handle emails that fail authentication checks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to establishing a more secure email experience for your domain. Know that configuring DMARC is a significant move towards protecting your domain's reputation and ensuring that only legitimate emails are delivered to your recipients. Remember, maintaining email security is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments based on your DMARC reports. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials.